Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe.
Welcome to this video on how to stop having sex in your dreams. Many people experience sexual experiences in their dreams, which can be a source of confusion, embarrassment, or even distress. While there is no surefire way to stop having sex in dreams completely, there are some techniques and methods that you can try to reduce the frequency or intensity of such dreams. In this video, we will explore these techniques in detail, including keeping a dream journal, practicing lucid dreaming, creating a relaxing sleep environment, establishing a sleep routine, and seeking professional help. By implementing these techniques, you may be able to gain more control over your dreams, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve your sleep quality. So, if you're looking to gain some insight into this topic, then keep watching to learn some practical tips that you can start implementing right away. Sexual experiences in dreams can happen due to a combination of various factors, including biological, psychological, and environmental influences. During sleep, our brain remains active and may create vivid and realistic images, sensations, and feelings that can mimic the experience of sexual activity. Dreams can be influenced by our subconscious desires, fantasies, and experiences, which can trigger the brain to create sexual scenarios. Hormonal changes and physiological factors can also play a role in sexual experiences in dreams. For example, during REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, which is the stage of sleep when most dreams occur, the body experiences increased blood flow and physiological changes that can lead to sexual arousal and experiences. It is important to note that dreams do not necessarily reflect our conscious desires or intentions, and sexual experiences in dreams do not necessarily have any bearing on our real-life sexual preferences or behavior. It is also important to remember that consent is essential in any sexual encounter, even in dreams. While there is no guaranteed method to completely stop having sexual experiences in dreams, there are some techniques that may help reduce the frequency or intensity of such dreams. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Keep a dream journal. Keeping a journal by your bed and writing down your dreams as soon as you wake up can help you become more aware of the patterns in your dreams and identify triggers that lead to sexual experiences. This can also help you process any underlying emotions or stressors that may be contributing to the dreams. 2. Practice lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is when you become aware that you are dreaming and can consciously control your actions and experiences within the dream. By learning to lucid dream, you may be able to change the course of the dream and steer it away from sexual experiences. 3. Create a relaxing sleep environment. Ensure that your sleep environment is comfortable, quiet, and conducive to relaxation. This can help reduce stress and anxiety that may contribute to sexual dreams. 4. Establish a sleep routine. Establishing a consistent sleep routine can help regulate your sleep patterns and reduce the likelihood of experiencing sexual dreams. 5. Seek professional help. If sexual dreams are causing significant distress or impacting your quality of life, consider seeking the help of a mental health professional, who can work with you to address any underlying issues or provide specific techniques to reduce the occurrence of sexual dreams.